Hello everyone, Brad here, Airstream, Utah. I come to you today standing in a brand new 2023 year model Flying Cloud 23-foot FB Twin, as you can see behind me there. This model has the new 2023 upgrades that I'm excited to show you about, and there's been some slight changes to the Flying Cloud decor, so I'm going to talk about those while we're here. Join me. As always, I'm going to go over a few specs of this rig before we get started on the tour. This model is 23 feet 9 inches from the bumper to the hitch. It's 8 feet wide exterior, it's 7 feet 7 wide interior. It has a 9 foot 9 inch tall outside and a 6 foot 7.5 inch tall inside. The hitch weight of this rig is 500 pounds. The base weight of it with full propane tanks is 5,000 pounds, and you have a 1,000 pound carrying capacity, giving you a gross vehicle weight rating of 6,000 pounds. This is the smallest trailer with a dual axle. It comes with one ducted air conditioner, big BTU furnace down there, a pretty giant fridge, so you have your refrigerator up top and your freezer at the bottom. Your tank sizes are 37 fresh, 37 gray, and 17 black. It has 12 windows and skylights. You can sleep up to 4 in here, 2 here in the dinette conversion table, and 2 up front. This model equipped with solar. It's a new, very slim, very good looking panel, solar panel on the roof. And that's been a change from the 2022 year model where it used to have ZAMP solar panels. Now, I'm standing in here and I have all the lights on in the rig. I have been running the fantastic fans, 2 of them, and I have no batteries in. It's completely run on solar, so that tells you how efficient this rig is. And even the refrigerator is turned on. So just strictly on solar alone, and right now I'm getting 50 watts coming in on the solar panel because it's mostly cloudy outside. But I'm able to do most everything in here just on solar alone because there's no batteries installed, which I think is a pretty cool feature. Something else new to the 2023 year model and the Flying Cloud specifically is the finish on the cabinetry. Last year and the year before it was a very smooth, glossy look. Now it's a very textured paint feel. Also for the 2023 year model, they have done away with the DVD players. So up here in your cabinet now, giving you more storage space in your cabinet, it's a shortened box. So the radio, and there's an HDMI plug for any type of aftermarket device that makes your TV smarter, like an Apple TV, a Roku stick, or some such thing like that. We still have the all-electric refrigerator. These things are extremely efficient. They pull about 6 amps per hour per compressor. So the top compressor and the bottom compressor, when they're running, pulls about 12 amps combined from your battery or from your solar, depending on what you're getting. Standing here in the bedroom, it's very spacious. I love the twin model, particularly in these shorter rigs. I have plenty of space here. The sight lines are very wonderful with these twin bed models. You have your standard storage compartments up here at the front. You have a nightstand table here in the middle between the beds. On both sides of your nightstand table you have USB plugs. This one has a single closet in the bedroom right here and a cubby hole down here at the foot of the bed. Over on this side of the bed you have your TV, which swivels around. You have a big window over here, smaller window over here, and your complete wraparound up here in the bedroom. Storage underneath both beds. Right here in the hallway you have your hall closet, which is a very good space and very good size. You have a privacy curtain here you can close, separating the 2 areas of the rig. Here in our kitchen we have our 3-burner cooktop, pretty standard. You have your gas oven down here. If you were to order the convection oven microwave, it would replace your gas oven here. You have plenty of storage up top. Your range hood and vent down here in your cabinets is where your silverware drawers and whatnot are. Have a very large sink here with a cutting board that pops out. Also in your kitchen you have this pull-out pantry with adjustable shelves. And you still have some storage up top here. So I'm standing here in the bathroom. The toilet is on this side, your shower is over here, and the sink is back here behind me. You do have the one rear window and a swivel mirror here that pulls out, and your towel rack. Plenty of cabinetry down below, and some cabinetry over here beside the toilet. One thing you lose on this model is the wraparound windows across the back, but in the living space in the bedroom you have plenty of light that lets in. And this bathroom is very, very spacious. So I'm standing in the shower, 5'9". I have clearance up here above my head. I can put my elbows out. I can spin around in here fine. I feel comfortable in this space. And what you can't see is attached to the bottom of the camera is a tripod, and it's separated sitting in the bathroom floor. So it's plenty of space in here. Sitting here at the dinette, the cushions are very comfortable. This table does lower or spin around should you need it. So if I needed more space back here behind the table, I could spin it around like that. My TV back here in the bedroom swivels all the way out, so should I want to lounge here and watch TV, I can, or use it as a secondary computer screen. But this is a very nice model. What I'm going to show you right now is turning this dinette into a bed and how I fit on that. If I want to use this space as a bed, it's very comfortable for me to lay down here. I've got 4 to 6 inches from my feet to the wall and a few inches above my head here. So it's quite comfortable as an adult laying in this space. If you're looking for a travel trailer that is relatively small but feels giant, this 2023 23-foot Flying Cloud may be for you. You can get the same floor plan in an international trim level as well, if that's of interest to you. But I believe this model is excellent. The weight, the hitch weight, and the weight of this trailer makes it easily towable, easily parkable, backing in, pulling in, wherever you might want to go. It'll fit into all the national parks because of its size. So this is an excellent option for those of you who are seeking something now. Come by and check it out. You can also see all the 2023 model year upgrades on this rig, and that's the first one we've received here, so come by and see it. We'd love to help you out. Thanks for joining me today, folks. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.